Get on the train. Tell her where we're sending them.
We're sending you to Oklahoma.
Give her a hug. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks. We had a great time. Turn around, Judi. Turn around, Judi. Go ahead. Go ahead. But call me. Judi, call me.
No.
It's just you and me now. Where are we gonna go? Look, here's all downtown Fort Worth. Downtown Fort Worth.
We're going?
Huh?
We're going?
We're going? Now we can go wherever we want to go. And there's a picture of the train.
Hey, are you going on the train too?
No, Judy's going to Oklahoma. We'll watch it drive away and we'll get in our car and we'll go do something fun. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Say we got sent it to Oklahoma, didn't we?
We got sent it to Oklahoma, didn't we?
Yeah.